Okay, so we're back at the Blenheim Street level crossing on the Upper Hutt line, and yeah, there's been quite a change. The old Griswold barriers are gone and new equipment is now in. So Western-Cullen Hayes barriers, Western-Cullen Hayes lights and Western-Cullen Hayes e-bell. Quite a big setup here. There's another set of barriers over there with two sets of lights, another set of lights there. There's also a set of lights hiding over there. Now the reason why this crossing has been replaced, as have a number of other crossings on the Hutt line, or at least a lot are going to be upgraded, is because this section of track here is currently single track, but they're going to be changing it to double track. So they're replacing the level crossings in preparation for that. In fact, I think this little pad here is actually where the original barrier system was. I'm not sure. I could be wrong, though. I could be completely wrong about that, I will admit. So we'll just wait for a train and we'll see the new system activate. So there's actually three Western-Cullen Hayes e-bells here, one over there and one over there. There were actually some engineers here working on this crossing because there's a Kiwi Rail depot just there, but we'll see what happens when the train comes. Excellent, the bells are ringing faster than I thought they would be. But that's just the bell on this side. So I remember when I did Wallaceville level crossing, there was one bell that was ringing faster than the others. So we'll head over to that side in a second and then have a look. So now we're on the other side, and I know I said that there were only three e-bells, but I'm wrong, there is a fourth one over there. So you can actually see where this set of lights here are angled downwards towards the pathway. And you can also see how those lights there, another small set there and another set there, sit very low down to the ground. And I can only assume that they're going to do what they do at most level crossings now these days, which is put the mazes in with the electronic gates on them. And hence why they've got these extra lights all about the place. And also why there's a set of lights over there, seemingly miles away from the road. Because you look at that set of lights sitting there and you just think to yourself, okay, that's weird, why would you put a set of lights there? No one can see them. Because I have a feeling that that's going to be where a proper pedestrian crossing is going to be built, and not just this little siding on the road. But we'll find out. The train is at Upper Hutt station turning round, so we'll just have to wait a couple of minutes now for it to come back through again. Wasn't quite ready for it. The lights at the top seem a little bit flickery. Those lights at the top there are definitely a little flickery. Oh, they look alright when you zoom in on them. Oops, sorry. Not really concentrating there. There we go. So that's the new crossing from both sides. Single track, you can see there, look, where it's going to be double tracked. Alright, it is starting to rain, so I think we will end the video there. That's it.